Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find a summary of your Airbnb earnings. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see the navigation menu. Go ahead and tap on Menu to access your account options. This will open up a list of various settings and features available within your Airbnb app. Once you're in the menu, look for the option labeled Account Settings and tap on it. This is where you'll find all the important controls for managing your Airbnb account, including your profile information, preferences, and financial details. Accessing your account settings is essential because it's the gateway to viewing your earnings and payment information. Next, within the Account Settings menu, you'll need to locate and tap on Payments. This section is specifically dedicated to all your financial transactions on Airbnb, including your payouts, payment methods, and earning records. It's a centralized hub for everything related to the money you make through hosting. Now tap on Transaction History to proceed. This option will take you to a detailed view of all your financial activity on the platform. It's here that Airbnb stores comprehensive records of your earnings, giving you full visibility into your hosting income over time. Once you're in the Transaction History section, you'll see an option labeled Performance. This is the key feature you're looking for. The Performance section provides you with a complete overview of your earnings, breaking down your income in an easy-to-understand format. You can review how much you've earned, track your payment patterns, and get insights into your hosting performance all in one place. And that's it. You've successfully located your Airbnb earnings summary using the performance feature in your transaction history. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.